Okay, so multitask.
Multitask.
There's some other games.
Robot Unicorn Attack.
I love Robot Unicorn Attack. And this is on Adult Swim Games. Whatever. Don't swim my butt. This is amazing. Okay, let's play. Okay, let's see. This is what killed me last time.
Are you real? Are you for real?
Yes, this is what killed me last time. No, it's because I got the WSID and the arrow keys confused, and I was trying to move the little green block, and I was like holding down the left arrow key, and it turned completely sideways.
You know, you gotta make sure that.
What? Okay, that's not it. That is not it. That was bogus, man. Bogus. Okay, let's do this. Take 2. Okay. Oh, come on, why did I do that? Let's get that. Broski. Brosif. Oh, pooper nuggets. It killed me last time. I can just like chill in that one spot. Oh, this is what killed me. No! I keep getting the WSAD and the arrows confused. Better. I'm playing again. Okay, let's do this. Okay. Okay, so am I just gonna be able to chill in this one spot again? That'd be awesome. Oh my god, what made my computer lag so much? Oh my god! Oh my god, I got the keys confused! Okay, let's try one more time. Let's see what I can get. Okay, if I don't hit anything, I think I'll be okay. No. Epic music. Okay, after I die, this will be the last one. Oh, the seconds that you play it is your score. That's so cool. Why did I move? I didn't need to move. Oh god. Oh. Oh my god, lag.
Oh, you're fine.
Oh, poop! This is what keeps killing me. I'm not a good multitasker. I'm not a good multitasker, so that's exactly why I'm playing multitask.
You fail! You fail! You epic fail!
Okay, I am done.